Okay, for number 17 on the study guide, we're looking to find the perimeter of this trapezoid. The trapezoid is, or perimeter is the sum of the length of the sides. So if we want to find the perimeter of this trapezoid, we need to find the length of this side here. So how can we do that? One way we can do is recognize that if we drop a segment from this vertex here to this side perpendicularly, we'll have a right triangle, and maybe we can use Pythagorean theorem or some special right triangle theorem to find what would be the hypotenuse here. So let's construct our segment perpendicularly. So this is going to be a right angle. And we're just, in a sense, we're just sliding this side that's 15 units long over. So we know that this side is also 15 units long. And from here to here is 15 units long. Okay, because again, we have a perpendicular. So if we subtract 15 from 23, we have 8. And that's the length of this leg here. So we have 2 out of 3 sides of a right triangle, so we can use a Pythagorean theorem to find that third side. So what we have lengths of are both of the legs. So we have 15 squared plus 8 squared is equal to, we'll just call this C, equal to C squared. So C squared is going to equal 15 squared plus 8 squared. So let's see what that is real quick. 15 squared plus 64, which is 289. C squared is equal to 289. So C is what we're after, the length of the hypotenuse. So C is going to equal the square root of 289. So C is equal to 17. Okay, the square root of 289 is 17. So the length of this side is 17, so we could just simply add the sides. We have 15 plus 15 plus 17 plus 23. And we add those all up together. We have 47 plus 23, which is 70. Okay, so the perimeter of this trapezoid is 70 units long. Number 18, find the volume of the right triangular prism. Okay, remember one way to find the volume of any prism, whether it's a triangular prism, a cube, an octagonal prism, is just simply to take the area of the base and multiply it times the height. They're telling us this is a right triangular prism, so that means this edge is perpendicular to the edges of this base. Okay, so area of the base times the height will give us the volume of the prism. So we first need to find the area of this triangle with a base length of 7 meters and a height of 3. Remember, the height is the altitude. It goes perpendicular from the base to the vertex. So the area of the triangle is going to be 1/2 the base times the height. The base being 7 and the height being 3. So that gives us, what, 10.5? Okay, and so then we just need to get the area of the prism, which is going to be the area of the triangle. All right, times the height, which is 10. So we have 105. 10.5 times 10 is 105. We have 105 cubic meters. All right, let's see how much time we've used here. Okay, let's stop here.